bushman out there already working, you see? That's Jamaica good life. People go to work. Yes, sir. You can be in the vibe if you want to see the real life. So this is Nonesuch Port Antonio. People, you can put on a smile on your face now because you're going to meet the Rasta man. Rasta culture. Full culture. Nothing missing. Everything about the roots. Natural. In the eyes. So behold. Yes, sir. Culture, tell the people a little about the vibes of how you keep this root so strong.
I grow my locks and chant and I take my locks and I weed and plant.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Jamaica good life. You see that?
So it's something that, you know.
Yes, sir.
We are cook some food where we grow.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Some breadfruit and some cocoa and some potato and yam. All for this plantation. That's how we do it, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
As you can see, the natural uses of stuff that people would throw away and become a garbage. So instead, this wonderful Rastaman make it into a kitchen and also a stove and a stand to hold the stove. Now look on this world. You will see what we mean. Sometimes you need to reverse to your natural life. Remind you of your roots, know where you're coming from, you know where you're going. On a regular basis, the kids they pass through, so you have to make some little food that they eat.
That's how we deal with the breadfruit, you know?
Yes, sir.
It's a boiling one, you know?
Yeah, man, real life. Culture will show you. And this is the breadfruit. Culture peeling, you know? Show you the real
You know,
life.
if you all breadfruit with Captain Bligh, don't you? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Where we roast it, bake it and boil it. Yeah.
Yes, sir. We early hear that.
Yeah, man, Captain William Bligh carry this thing, you know. Man, the FF Bounty.
You hear that, world?
Yeah.
Get
Captain
good
William
food.
Bligh and the FF Bounty brought this plant here to Jamaica to feed slaves back in the olden days. We know of breadfruit so common you find a tree in every backyard.
Yes, sir. Roots all the way. And there's silver break in the coconut. Yes, sir. It's banging, you know?
Get the banging up right now.
Yes, sir. Love world, love. Jamaica good life. So we're all here, we're chilling. This is what the vibes look like. There's some cool breeze blowing and the sun shining, so you're not too hot. And you're not too cool. You're just alright. You feel good. You're just randy chilling by the swing. Having a little talk. Yeah, man. Or maybe a big talk. Major over there. Yeah, man. And if you look deeply over there, you can see a guy doing some farming over there. Major having a break at the moment. Yes, so chilling, cooking some pot. Culture, see me here, the man at the moment. Is him make it all possible.
That one named sauce up here?
Yes, sir.
That
And
one
show you
that
the
we cook
roots.
with nerves.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, when this
See it?
beer
Take
now
a
we take
closer
a
look.
yeah.
So you don't make a mistake.
Fruit which this plant beer, we mix with it water and whether sugar or milk, and it's wonderful for the nerves. So anywhere in the world you are and have a bad nerve, come to the doctor.
Yes, sir.
We have a nerve system. That one, show them now and then now, jackfruit, the
This is
biggest
the
fruit on the
jackfruit.
island.
Culture said this is the jackfruit, people. Look at this. The biggest one on the island. When this gets big, some of you might have been to some other Caribbean islands and end up seeing this. But if you know you're a Jamaican from your home, living abroad, it's still good to come back and get a eat from this. You know? Remember your roots. This is your roots. And this vine here is the yam, the purple yam vine. Look at it. You see? So it's your root you need to hold on to. As culture would say, it's one love. In the eyes, just behold and take a closer look into the vibe.
See, I may say something.
Yes, sir. Now, It's not the first time Culture is on YouTube, so if you take a closer look, you can find him here and there somewhere on the YouTube sometimes.
Get it on what that nice.
What that
What that nice.
What that nice. You can find him there also. You know, so we're spreading the love and showing you guys what really have gone.
Reggae in the rough.
We're in Reggae in the Rough too, so you can check out that one too. So these are the people.
Heart of nature.
Yeah man, still in the natural life.
What? Brand new. Speed in my yard no. Reggae in the Rough no. Yeah man, I see that in my yard man, brand new.
Yes,
Me and Kirby they do documentary on in Jackson.
and this is natural life, people.
I mean, what's that nice?
The breeze might take the sound a little bit, people, but you know, it's just the energy. Place is nice. Randy there holding up eyes. I know him don't move enough, people. You see the energy is like that, you know. Sometimes nice to take a 5 minutes for yourself. Yeah man. Yeah man, I'm checking out the water. You see what I'm going. Jamaica good life, man. Yes sir. Now, when you think about your roots, you see how much you're missing? Because you're in this big house and all this, the damn live vision take away everything from your soul. You can't, it's like you're in the house sitting on the cold concrete. Look at this grass is not even cold. Yeah man, remember your roots man. Yes, I see vibrator in the
Yeah, man, remind them rose apple and them something there.
Yes, sir.
We now left half away island.
True. And you have rose apple all on the riverside, all through as far as I can see. See? All trees, apple,
Almond,
mango, coconut tree as usual for morning, banana tree, everything, and this is being on the riverside. So I guess some people could be lazy, but look, your real Jamaica is still standing. And this is the Mamey tree. If you don't know what is a Mamey and only try mango, well, this can make you think of a mango much really in truth, because this is a fruit that is just like the mango, or maybe better a little bit. Yes, it's named Mamey. We're going to take you further where you can see a Mamey when it's in season also. So don't worry about it. We keep our words with what we're saying. Yeah, man. Which one?
Blueberry.
Blueberry. To have a bath the baby, like you bathe the baby with this one. Blueberry, white name again? Blueberry bush, this one. It gets soapy when you rub it up. It's good to, it's like they use it to make glycerine for the young babies. This one here. So we have all the roots, you know. And we have who to show us the roots too if we don't know. Yeah, man. So all the people are still here. You need to come back and get some of your roots. Because these are the people. See, you have 2 lime here. How long since you have a natural lemon juice? Well look, me just know this thing and he can show you this. Like you buy...
natural, you know?
Yeah,
natural.
You buy so much
lime.
creamy juice, but you never think about a glass of lemonade.
Yeah. This can mix a big jug of lemonade. 2 of them.
Yes, sir.
Big jug of lemonade. Get some sugar, get some water, mix it out, squeeze the lime and you strain it. You get some ice, put in a glass, that's it.
And that's
Fresh.
much better than mojito, I'm sure. I've been to Cuba and I drink
100%
mojito, but
better
not
than
as
the
like
soft
lemonade.
Soda have been acid. This is natural drinks. Natural
Yes,
drinks. It's coming like fruit. These are fruit. You can just squeeze them in the water and drink the water, just like that. Time is hot. You get some ice water, you get a lime, cut it, squeeze it in the water, and drink it.
Yes, sir.
That is a drink. No sugar.
Yes, sir.
Just water and lime. Water well cool. Cut a lime, squeeze it into it, drink it. Refreshing. Better than juice. Natural, just natural. You drink that, you don't need no juice.
Yes, sir. You see the common chickens, common hen, common cock. It's a joy to see them so near, right?
So near you to my part.
And this is a white one over here. That's a hen, and that's a cock. And look how they're doing it on both sides. You see? Cheese. Oh, this cock I heard. Yes, Siva. So I see you doing the banging here.
Yeah, man.
This is the coconut.
Famous
Famous coconut all over the world. You don't have one plant in your backyard or your front yard in the country. You need to find a country that have them.
Yeah, man. Get a plant, get a tree.
Get a tree. Whoa. Yes, sir. And which one is this, Jazzo?
This is the cocoa, you know. That's in brother, you know.
Cheese, so if they don't have this at home, you have to come to Jamaica.
And it's
to see.
always a fina with pepper pot soup, you know.
That's true.
We cook this part, we cook the leaf too, you know.
You hear people?
Yeah, man, we cook the leaf too, man. Get that from grandma, you know.
Respect. Respect.
Alright. You know that one already. Sweet
That's a
potato or cartoffel. No?
Yes. Whoa, people, you see that? You see how rich it is? Show them again, Zazu. Look at how rich this is. Whoa.
And we make a nice pot of soup. We'll send some over the phone to you here, to all your people.
Yes, people. You know you see this. This is the good energy. This is the real life, the natural life. And this is how you do it. Like your friend help you, your brother help you, your sister help you. Some can't even live together to good. I don't know what's going on. Come on, come back to real Jamaica. Look how lovely this is to like cook a pot together. This is a real Jamaica, man. Remember good. Some of you guys remember when we go to bush and this big pot cook when one flour you can't even eat off. Cause them call it cartwheel flour. Is that the right name that? Yeah man, they usually call it cartwheel flour, man. It's like if you don't know a cart, you know, you go online and you Google cart, you see what it really mean. The flour them big. Yeah man. Yes,
I'm alone there and I see my mother put on, you know.
Alright. And that's true because I can remember all the time when we come to Culture's place. It's always a big part. And sometimes him cook, you know, him kind of weird to, you know, people because him cook and him do him eat, him watch the wall we share and sometimes we share the wall him food. We share the wall him food, no people, and the man sit down and not say nothing. And cook again and me I say then what is no God how the man not get none of the food the first pot him cook. I swear to God people will not lie. The pot don't cook and him don't taste the food people, it does finish without him even taste it. And it's just a joy, you know, because if people never really love you like that, they wouldn't really be around. Yeah, man.
They don't know that, bro.
So him still here, people. Him is a joy. Him is a joy. Him hold up the roots. And a lot of children get grown by him. As simple as you may seem.
Nada. Where have it, man? Can I have it? Eh? Mandarin.
This is real old school, people.
Well, I got on there.
Yeah, man, you see? So this is the part between the pot where we break and we juice the coconut and make a vibes. Yeah, man.
So guess how me do me grow me lax and chant. Me take me lass and me weed land and plant. One more me grow me lax and chant. Me take me lass and me weed land and plant. Come home. Cause me love me natty although you picky with the things like the sticky, but me still a try the city with me roots. And me spicy make me nah sicky. The woman them a tell me say me, oh my. That's the part everything that me do. I don't know my tune.
Yes, people, you hear that? The vibes is so good. So good, people.
Chew me no join all the jerk pork ring there. I never want nothing out of the tin there. No introduce me to no chicken wing. Wait, me love gungo soup with coconut juice in there. Yeah, good. You can do it if you want to.
So this one is the, which one is this one?
This? Yellow yam, man.
Alright.
Good old yellow
So
yam.
people, just listen up, you know, this is the yellow yam. So rich, man. Sometimes the camera can't even take the picture that.
All of them are go same place. That me love about the place, you know.
Yes.
You plant coconut, you plant anything, all of them are grow.
Yes, sir.
So when you're ready for cook, now you just dig up on yam, there, so get one cocoa, there, so pick off one coconut, there, so wet one breadfruit and everything sort out.
One go. People hear this? Look at this. Don't try that at home. Take your time and do safety
them boy
first.
don't go to them, man. Jelly, man. No, so make a kite and get ready, you know, man.
Hi, what's up? You down now?
Hey, Daniel, what's up?
I'm here.
Well, there's some guests out there grown on pot and all pot up. I'm supposed to be still here.
You see people, a lot of people check culture for herbs and remedies of stuff that takes care of your health. So as soon as you get the chance, you find a way how to check culture too, towards your health. And Randy is the man to get you there. Yeah, man. Always. Don't forget, Randy is the man to get you there. Yes, sir.
Give thanks every time, man. So, Mike, this is the man.
Yeah, man.
Anyway, I was known as Mackeral, you know? You grew up here? Yeah, man. Born here. Silver here. Same place. 14. Mike here.
You're
Mike.
a farmer?
Yeah.
What you plant?
Plant dashing, plant cocoa, plant banana, plant yam, pepper, okra, everything. Everything.
And you can bring us to your farm. Is it far?
Yeah, it's far.
But we can drive?
No, walking hills.
Yeah.
Green hills, farmer.
A mile, 2 miles a deal?
Farmer. Far. You know how manage that. You know how
How
manage
much?
it. Yeah, man. You know how manage it, man. Because we can't work on near that, you know. You go to farm like man, like, leave me there like at 5 o'clock. I mean, I come back after the farm till sometime at 2 o'clock. In the evening. Yeah, I mean, I go back up till the next day again. Yeah. I leave, I go there in the morning.
Fire!
Watch it. I leave there in the morning, you know, go back until the other day. Or sometimes make a day pass. Yeah, before I really touch the farm. Far, you know? Yeah, it's far. So, you can't go there every day. If you just go there, you know, say, now you some work today, come back 2 o'clock, sometime 3 o'clock. And you know, say, I eat that, you know? Put in something at the farm. As when reaping time comes, I have something for reap. So, if you know, so you know, we're not going to cook a pot and cover, we start some okra, you know? Put in the pot, you know? Real thing.
So you plant okra, dashing.
And pepper. I have pepper enough. Yeah. Hot pepper, you know? Yeah. And I love okra, you know? Every time I put in a pot, okra up in my pot. Okra up in my pot. I mean that. I'm the man, okra and coconut. I love greater coconut. Coconut and natural. I love greater coconut. I put in my pot. I love that natural. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me that, man. So I'm the man that I'm going to boil some soup. No food not going to no meat not going to no. We just put all our pound of peas. Peas. I just get my coconut juice. Great my coconut. I just throw my coconut juice in it. You know? And throw my food in it. I no go. I make everything, but when you don't drink that, you want to walk on meat. And no meat in it. No meat in it. Just peas and coconut juice.
I tell.
Yeah.
Like
And
Everton.
we don't call it soup. We call it sip.
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 So you're my second sip man come I wanna one over there so Mackeral. But what the place I'm tell your name? I have a sip brethren wherever
You know, boil soup, man. Sip, we call it. You know?
jobless. So yeah, can't you make some for us? I'll leave in a week.
That can't start out, man. No meat.
You cook it over your house.
No meat. We can cook it anywhere. Anywhere we can cook that. Don't go on a pot. We can cook it anywhere. Yeah, man, anywhere. Just a pot, we can cook anywhere. Back up our free pan, we roast some, we will have vibe there, so. Every pot, we don't have no problem.
Lucy. My
No,
sip man
Lucy.
there, Lucy.
Yeah, man. You see Nonesuch now? You
Nonesuch.
see Nonesuch?
Mhm.
We cook. We do anything on Nonesuch. Anywhere.
It's a community.
Yeah, anyway, we cannot stop on the road and say, we have a pot, we cook right this or today. And we just stop, we'll have vibes. We have some juice with him, and we just put on a ketchup fire, put on a pot, and we just cook. Anyway, nobody now come and say, hey, we have to move on, we can't cook this, you know. When people say we are cook, man, they love that. What no cooking? Cooking some soup. What kind of soup? Ital stew. No meat. Just peas and coconut juice.
You don't eat meat?
Yeah, I eat meat.
How old are you?
54.
Wow. That look good, you know.
Yeah.
Everybody look better than me, you know.
Last
And them older than me.
July 27th was my earth strong.
Happy Earth Strong.
Yeah, the July 27th was my earth strong. I was 54. And I tell enough man here, them say lie me at them. Yeah man, them say lie me at them. You don't reach that far yet.
How often you eat a sip?
Regular man.
So Mike, me call him Mike, you call him what?
Potty flash.
Potty Flash.
Yeah, potty flash.
So you were what to him?
We grow up like family, just close friends. Almost family. We live at his yard, right? He was here and I was there at the house. Sometimes I spend all weeks down at Film Home. and I don't go to my yard. Go to school, come back from school, go to film yard, eat lunch, go back to school and leave school in the evening, go back to film yard, put on him uncle clothes, because my uncle was like this. 1 week if I leave my yard from there, go to school, my uncle, and I come back from lunch, I don't go to my yard for lunch, I come to film yard, and I eat lunch. I leave from school in the evening, go back to film yard, take off my school clothes, get a rack, put my school clothes on it, hang it up, and put on him uncle clothes. And sleep there. In the morning, wake up on bed, put on my school clothes, back to school. I don't go to my yard as close as it is. 1 week. And the other week, come to my home. His uncle come to my home. And he do a local film home. Just pass him home at daytime, come to my yard for lunch. Even time, pass him home, come to my yard, get a rack, put him school clothes on, hang it up. Me the same thing, eat dinner, to have a bed, gone to it. So we live. Live like a brother. Yeah, man.
You on Putty Flash?
Yeah, man.
What them call you?
Mackeral, Delroy, otherwise known as Major Mackeral. Putty know me.
Why them call you Major Mackeral?
From school years. Some girl call me Major Mackeral.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. One lunchtime, when a recess was going up to the shop to buy something. Yeah. And a girl said, me and a girl was walking in my next bedroom. So I said, you know, sir, I'll give you a name. I'll call you Mackeral from that day. That name stick on from school days. So he call me Mackeral. And for him call me Mackeral one time, I just pay Mackeral.
Mackerel and Putty Flash and culture.
Yeah. Yeah.
Why them call him culture?
That is a puzzle to even me. I feel that to all me live. I don't know who give me that name culture.
Yeah.
I just grew up and hear people like I call my culture and my work with it.
So me hear you have a song.
I know it's not my song, but I just love it.
Did you make music? Did you have original tune?
Yes.
What's our original tune for me?
Original tune. Me have come with an original tune. Original tune of it this moment,
So culture, how old are you again?
Me, 54.
You have a very lively childhood
I'm just going to
spirit.
make one tune right now on the spot. It's like, there you are, so right now, sit down on the spot.
Randy.
Me and Randy and Dada and get to youth a chat. Then me see another youth a sing out then at the hammock. So me say, sure man. Hold on, go fast and get on there.
Take your time.
On the spot, me dey on the spot. On the spot, me dey on the spot. About the thing them where I go on them me come for chat. Yes! On the spot, me say me dey on the spot. The thing them go on where I light and a chat. No! That at the end. That at the cock. That are the fruit tree, that are the pot. Major Mackeral over there, so I sat. Yes, I see if I sit down here, I'm more chat. On the spot, me say we dey on the spot. The little bingy over there, so we didn't last him a chop. On the spot, me say we dey on the spot. And if you want big and that, me run go big quack and that quack. On the spot.
So you have a childhood spirit.
Yeah, I love it.
You have a
I
childhood
will
spirit.
never pass 19.
At 19, something happened to you.
No, but me stop here half of my own.
And so you're now past
I
19.
don't want to get old. I want to be a youth for the rest of my life. I must always be a youth, one old youth. When we get 100, I'll be an old youth. Right now, I'm a young youth, just 54.
19, you're now past that.
I'm not past 19. Now past 19.
When you love around here, someone, in your life. This is
Sometimes I
Jamaica
wonder
good
if
life.
me really should have reached 125.
You see it?
And me think about that if all human beings I go still be alive.
Live.
If plants and animals I go still can survive by the time I catch 125. By me catch 125, me wonder if animal will still be alive. If human beings will still can survive by the year me catch 125. Anyway, jump in the river, me swim and me dive. Yeah. You know what, man? Alright. Stammer, man. Stammer always a creep up from the end, but Every time I stammer, then me think about my mama. Think about my mama when me stammer. Every time I stammer, then me think about my mama. Think about my mama when me stammer. Anyway, the pressure in my head, it just a beat me like a hammer. Me do it in a English, so me stick to all my grammar. Put all the full stop, put all the comma. Anytime I stammer, then me pray about me. When me stammer, when me stammer, then me think about my mama. Me stammer, then me think about my mama. In a mediator, I beat like a hammer, beat like a hammer, beat like a hammer. Still jam a pre about my mama. Hey! Every time I stammer, then me think about my mama. Think about the full stop, think about the comma. Every time. Out!
Easy, culture. Easy. Slow down the thing. Slow down the
Don't
thing.
build up one weed and get a good vibe and
Yeah, slow it down. Back to
You have it, man.
Mackeral.
You have it, man.
What do you mean if him have it? A long time the
Full of
world
rhyme,
for know him.
man. Full of rhyme, man. Full of rhyme.
So now the world know him.
Yeah, man. Full of rhyme, man.
Culture, 19-year-old.
how the weed go? Get up.
Yeah, man, get some weed.
Yeah, man, give me some ice.
Give thanks for the presentation and the love. So me could see
Yes,
the
the
part.
scotch about on that? That's all. Yeah, let me take along the brain and go do it. I went to the Virgin to tell him. Okay. Then get that here.